Hi everybody, this is Bhavya and welcome back to my channel. I hope your quarantine is going extremely well. So today I decided to do some very natural and light makeup. You can do it at your homes during this quarantine phase and lift up your spirits. And I hope you like watching this look, and to know how I created this natural and glowy look, please keep on watching this video. So I'm going to start by using the eyebrow pencil. This is by Chambor in the shade brown black. This is a really cool eyebrow pencil. It has spoolie brush on one side and pencil on the other. Also, this gives you a one stroke pigment and it is not at all creamy, and if you cannot do without your eyebrows, you are just like me, then I think I would really want to recommend you this eyebrow pencil by Chambor. This is a must have. Next up, I'm going to apply some serum. This one is called the Rose Gold by the Beauty Co. This has 24 karat dust particles. I'm doing this to get a really nice subtle glow on my face and to have a supple skin while I do the rest of my makeup. For my next step, I'll be using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is a really high coverage concealer, and the tiniest bit of the amount goes a long way. The shade name and other details are in the description bar below, so do check them out just in case you want to know more details about this concealer. And I'll be using my fingers to blend it, and I'll be using just this concealer as my base makeup, and that's it. And now I'll be setting my concealer with a loose powder. You guys must have noticed that I haven't put concealer on my eyelids because I wanted to keep it that way. That gives an illusion of an eyeshadow. So yeah, that's the part of the look. And now I'll be using the Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal. I think this is an overhyped mascara. I mean, it didn't do much to my eyelashes, to my tiny eyelashes. And lastly, for my lips and cheeks, I'm going to be using the Dear Darling Tint by Etude House. This is a really nice red color, gives you a really nice flush of red color on your cheeks and gives a beautiful tint on your lips. So guys, this is the finished and the complete look. I hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial. If you enjoyed, then don't forget to give this video a big like and follow me. And I'm going to see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.